Understanding I'm drained, a guide to everyday English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in English, I'm drained. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and in what contexts. Let's dive in. The phrase, I'm drained, is an idiomatic expression. It means to be extremely tired or exhausted, not just physically but also mentally. When someone says, I'm drained, they're expressing that they have no energy left due to hard work, stress, or intense experiences. To understand it better, let's look at some examples. 1. After a long day at work. I've been in meetings all day and had to hit a tight deadline. I'm totally drained. 2. Emotional situations. After arguing with my friend for hours, I'm drained. 3. Physical activities. I just finished a marathon. I'm absolutely drained. These examples show different situations where someone might feel completely out of energy, either physically or emotionally. It's also helpful to know some synonyms or similar phrases. Here are a few. Exhausted, worn out, burnt out, often used in the context of work. Run down. These phrases can be used interchangeably in many contexts. In English-speaking cultures, saying, I'm drained, is quite common and understood by everyone. It's a casual phrase, suitable for everyday conversation. It's not formal, so it's best used in informal settings, with friends, family, or close colleagues. So, next time you're feeling really tired, whether it's after a long day at work, an intense workout, or an emotionally taxing event, you can express that feeling by saying, I'm drained. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.